Where do I connect a push-button station to a CS320? An external push-button station can be connected to the CS320 using the X3 terminal block on the middle right. For a 4-wire solution, such as our standard push-button station, the connections are as follows. Remove the factory-fitted link from terminals 3 and 4. The yellow stop wire connects to terminal 3, brown common wire to terminal 4, white open wire to terminal 5, green close wire to terminal 10. No additional setup is required.